welcome to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to achieve this passion twist look. They're short, they're cute. This one look a little funny, don't mind it because this was my first time doing it too, but I did it differently. I did this little loop thing. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to do them, and hopefully you do them too and save some money. But anyways, yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm going to be using 5 packs of the FreeTress hair and some shiny gem, a crochet needle, a Rattail comb, and some rubber bands, and also some clips, and some scissors, and some edge control. Okay, so as you see, I already parted the back of my hair off camera, and I'm just going to finish the front to give you guys a closer view so you can see how I did the back. So I'm just pinning my hair back so it won't get in the way. Now I'm going to take some rubber bands and put some jojoba oil all over them to prevent breakage, and you can use any hair oil you want. You don't have to use the oil I'm using. Okay, so now I'm just parting my hair into sections, and the way I'm sectioning my hair, I want 2 twists to fall in the front and the rest in the back. So when I'm finished, you'll see why I sectioned the hair the way I did. My part pretty big because I don't want that much of a full look, plus I don't want that mane in my hair. But anyways, I'm going in with my shiny gem, and I'm going to take some of my rubber bands and tie it around the part. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you guys one more time, and after that I'm going to speed the process up. I don't know if you guys seen, but I took some of my edges out my parts because I'm not trying to walk around here with no edges. But right now I'm just showing you guys my parts and stuff. Okay, so I finished the back, and I'm going to show you guys in the front what I did. So I'm going to take some of my FreeTress hair and I'm going to fluff it out a little bit. After that, I'm going to take my crochet needle and I'm going to put it through, and I'm going to put the hair on the hook, and then after that I'm going to just clip it and just pull it right through. Okay, so after I did that, I'm going to go in with my shining gem and I'm going to put it through my hair and get my ends. After that, I'm going to take a little piece of the FreeTress hair, and then I'm going to grab the rest of the hair and I'm going to twist it around the hair. And as you see, I'm twisting the FreeTress hair around a few times. I want to say I twisted probably 7 to 10 times. Okay, so after I'm done twisting it around, I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to take some of the FreeTress hair, and after that I'm going to begin to just twist the hair. enjoyed this video, and please make sure to like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all later.